What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacques, and today I'm gonna be showing you what I've been doing for a year now. So welcome to Dusk. Dusk is a new production house, but basically it's not just a production house. It's more like a place for a creative community to galvanize the artists within people and to create a creative space, like all the community under the same roof for people to come, to learn, to create, and to repeat. So without further ado, let's dive into the studio tour. Okay, so now we're at Studio A. This is basically the place where we do all our sessions. It's well equipped with necessary needs, where we do our fashion shoots here or music video shoots here, and art directors, they come and set up whatever scene we want here, and this is basically the place where all the magic happens. Okay, so I believe the audio in here is better because eventually this is the audio room. So here is the place where we record all our voiceovers. For example, welcome to Dusk. I'm joking, I'm not a voiceover artist, so let's move. Okay, guess where we are. So here's the meeting room, and here I'm sorry, the sound panels aren't installed yet and there's too much echo, I believe. So here we do all our team meetings and our client meetings. It's not complete yet, I'm still waiting for the furniture to arrive, but yeah, here is where we meet. Okay, so we are now in the post-production space. This is the place where the creative team, they do the magic over and over again, following by the Studio B. So Studio B is where we do the product shots, basically, like small little things and more like food sessions and stuff. So what do we have here? Okay, here we are at the home cinemas of Dusk. So basically we sit down here and we chill and we Netflix. No, I'm joking. This is a place where we showcase our portfolio and the client watches the outcome for the first time. And yeah, some Netflix, because why not? Okay, coming out from the home cinema, we have, I'm not gonna show you what's inside the storage room yet. It's a bit messy there. That's the place where we keep all the gear, the lights, the camera, the lenses we use. We're gonna do content for that later on. Okay, here we have the servers. This is the place where all the entire storage is and the NAS systems and stuff and the backups, because data matters. And finally, we are at my personal space. So this is my personal office. Wait. While editing, I forgot to mention that I didn't mention anything about the architecture of the space, where it's like industrial mode and it's dark mode because it's dusk. And special thanks to Bibix for helping me to shoot this studio tour. Let's continue. So this is the place where I play a lot. I mean, I play the drums a lot. So basically this space is my comfort zone, and this is the place where I chill, I edit, and I'm gonna be creating a separate video about the office because it's gonna be in details of what I use, the equipment I use for editing, and the desk setup and all the details of it, the coffee corner and stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I hope you're interested in what we do here, and you're gonna subscribe to our channel now, so you're gonna be seeing more content we're gonna provide, like the production house, the behind the scenes of what we do, the entire concept, the entire company, and all the productions. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.